My video will provide you with help to remove the ransomware called Geometrical. Geometrical stands for a new ransomware that now targets many Windows computers. This particular ransomware is able to damage the files. My video, though, is only for the educational purposes. I am not related to this ransomware. I am not promoting this ransomware. In my video, I will just show you the damaging effect of this ransomware, and I will give you some recommendations on how you can possibly recover the data. Well, before the ransomware's attack, you're able to open your files without troubles, including pictures, music, Microsoft Office documents, and other data. Unfortunately, because of certain leaks and vulnerabilities, this geometrical ransomware may be very easily injected into the system, and so very soon users just realize that they can no longer access their data. The ransomware called Geometrical encrypts files and appends this geometrical extension to the file names. As a result, it is impossible to use the files to open them. The ransomware also reveals this ransom note titled as readit.txt. Then it shows something in Korean, in South Korean, I suppose. So the ransom note is in the Korean language. The ransomware tells the victims that they need to pay a special ransom for file restoration, but paying the ransom is not a good idea. Don't waste your money. Don't pay the ransom. What I recommend you to do is to remove this ransomware with Cleaner Antivirus. You may get it on the official page combocleaner.com. combocleaner.com. So download the software, install it, and start carefully researching the system. The application is initially in the trial mode and only quick scan option is available. You need to click on the start scan button, and then the software will first of all update its anti-malware database. So do not skip this very important step. Wait until the antivirus database is successfully updated. After the antivirus database gets successfully updated, ComboCleaner begins scanning, researching, and investigating your computer. At the end of the scanning, you will see the summary of the threats. You will be able to know their exact locations on the system. Of course, some threats can be removed manually, but I recommend you to consider upgrading to premium. This way your data would always be protected, and you can even request trial to fully evaluate the features of ComboCleaner. Speaking about file decryption, please find a special link in the description to this video, which will give you more information on how you can possibly recover the data.